it says here, now that you have saved the task in the task data array, you should display the task on the page by looping through it. Use for each on task data and then this structure, ID, title, date, description as the parameters, and don't return anything yet. So we first have to call our array and then interpolate the for each method, function, and it says this structure this for as a parameters. So we should have a parenthesis inside the method, and since we are not just putting it as a parameters but also destructurizing the for, we should use curly brackets to indicate that we are destructuring them as parameters for each. So input the ID, title, date, and description as the parameters, and it says here that don't return anything yet, which implies that there should be a callback function. So calling these parameters should implicitly return to something none, nothing yet, nothing, because don't return anything yet. So boom.